Hi, thanks for joining me at Team Doc. Our mission is to give you the most accurate, up-to-date real estate information and market conditions so that when it comes time for you to sell or buy a home or invest in real estate, you can make the best decision possible. I'm Dianne OPHELIA COLSON. I hold a real estate broker's license in Arizona and in California, and I'm an attorney. Today, I'm talking to seniors and why real estate investing is so important for seniors. A lot of seniors think, well, I'm at a stage in life where I'm just going to live off of my estate. I'm not going to actively be involved in investments, and what will happen will happen. Well, you're not going to be very happy with what will happen, particularly with healthcare costs going up every year and independent senior living, nursing homes. Those are becoming really expensive. So you need to stay up with inflation. You need to stay up with the market. Don't give up. Keep investing. Now, let me tell you the 5 biggest reasons why real estate investing is so important and why it's particularly important for seniors. So starting out with number 1, appreciation. Your investment is going to go up in value. Whether you keep it for 5 years or 10 years, you're going to continue to increase your estate, and that's going to serve you well in years to come. The second one is it's a hedge against inflation. We all anticipate a large inflation increase in the next few years. So if you have real estate, your real estate values are going to go up as inflation goes up. Number 3 is one of the most important factors for seniors, and that's cash flow. If you have your money in the stock market or other investments, you're not going to have a monthly cash flow. But in real estate, if you invest correctly, you will have a steady stream of income to help supplement you without having to eat into your estate when little emergencies happen or when you want to buy that new car. So cash flow is huge for seniors. Number 4 is leverage. Now, a lot of us know about leverage, but just as a refresher, you invest $10,000 in a $100,000 investment. You make $20,000, so now it's worth $120,000. You have now made $20,000 on $10,000. You have doubled your money. How? By using $90,000 of the mortgage company's money. That's why real estate's such a great investment, because you can leverage. And of course, number 5, tax advantages. We all know taxes are going up no matter what happens in this political season. So right now is the time to hedge against those taxes, whether it's through depreciation or deducting a home office or your car if you're checking on your rentals. Keep your rentals local. You'll have a lot more deductions. And in addition to the typical deductions, you have 1031 exchanges. You can go up in value of your investment without paying taxes. You can use your IRA or your 401k to invest in property. And you can flip properties and then not pay taxes on your increases in values. There's a lot of ways to save taxes in real estate that a lot of people don't think about. And it's going to become even more important as years go by. So I'm going to continue with a series of videos just for seniors, all about investing and how it really can impact your lifestyle and your future. So hit the subscribe and notification button. That way you won't miss any. And if you're saying, oh, I don't have a lot of cash or my cash flow is really low, let's do joint ventures. Seniors need to get together and help each other out. Let's joint venture investments and continue to grow your estate. Now, if you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you have a question or comment, feel free to leave it. I answer everybody. Most important, thanks for joining me today. And if you'd like to know more about investing or buying or selling houses, give me a call. I'd love to help you out. Talk to you soon.